Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be isolating some anethole from these wild fennel seeds. This plant grows throughout different parts of Vancouver Island and is easily found on the sides of highways. It has a similar appearance to dill, but the seeds taste exactly like black licorice, which is because of anethole. Anethole is an oil, so it can be easily separated from the other material via steam distillation, which is what we'll be doing today. As a side note, this experiment is being done in my dorm room as I did not have access to my chemistry lab during first year university. There are no dangerous chemicals being used, however this experiment should be completed in a proper lab setting if you're doing it on your own. To begin, we can grind up about 350 grams of wild fennel seeds with some water to generate a slurry. To extract the anethole, it is necessary to break the seeds open first. After thoroughly grinding, the wild fennel seed slurry was added to a 1 liter Erlenmeyer flask on a hot plate. On top of that, a pressure equalizing addition funnel and condenser column was attached. This setup is essentially a simple distillation apparatus, however it takes up much less space. As the water distills, it travels up the side arm of the pressure equalizing addition funnel, condenses in the condenser, and collects in the addition funnel. As the distillation progresses, a layer of anethole is observed separating and collecting on top of the water in the addition funnel. After running the apparatus for a few hours, the heating was stopped and the apparatus was disassembled. The lower water layer was removed and the upper anethole layer was collected in a vial. In total, a few milliliters of anethole was obtained. Steam distillation can be used to remove most essential oils from plants, so many different plants could be used in place of the wild fennel seeds if you wanted to isolate a different oil. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in a future project. Okay, bye.